Joining us on the phone line is former IPS officer Kiran Bedi, who's tweeted earlier this morning questioning the timing of this report. Kiran Bedi, what makes you raise the question about the timing of this report on VK Singh?
It's come too close. Come too close to his espousing certain causes. It's come just too close.
But we do believe that this report by the military was submitted in March this year to the then Defence Secretary.
So, therefore, that's what I'm exactly saying. It's just come too close. So it's dug out. Probably they thought VK would, the general would just be on the fringes, or he would not speak up. But the fact the general has decided to dare to do something different. Therefore, I think it's come just too close. Otherwise, it could have come up in March. But secondly, remember that every wing of the armed forces and the police and intelligence agencies have secret service funds. Now, it's for them to decide how they wish to do, and it's always a collective decision sometimes. So if you're looking at the use of secret service funds, the fact that they're called secret is secret. And that means let's start auditing every secret fund, and you will have a CBI for the rest of the 100 years just doing investigations on those secret service funds. So secret service funds, therefore let's have a policy to start opening up and call them no more secret service funds. How can you have a secret service fund now being questioning? Because at that time, when you use the secret service funds, it's a part of a policy, and in that policy, even the political administrations are part of that policy. So therefore, all I'm saying is I'm not on the judgment of the report. I have no access to that. All I'm saying is the fact that they're secret. And now when you start opening up, then you must explain what are the compelling circumstances that you are now opening up. Because every police force, every armed organization, everybody, the intelligence organizations have substantial secret funds. So that's one other debate. But all I'm saying is as far as General VK Singh is concerned, it's come just too close when he's blown the whistle on certain causes which he is an expert at and has inside information.
All right. Also, are you saying when the report is too close, you're questioning the timing, are you saying it's too close to the elections or too close to him sharing the dais with Narendra Modi?
Both ways. You see, as I said, as I also tweeted, that we have a very strong scrab culture in our society. If any outsider like VK Singh, who has led army life all along, had just decided to take a plunge in another way, it's breaking a monopoly, entering into a world which belongs to those also who are also being tried. So here is somebody who's coming in, is actually venturing to come into that orbit. So therefore there is a crab culture to somehow puncture that whistle, blow that, take the whistle away, because it's considered as a monopoly of certain people who even may be convicted or being tried or being investigated.
All
so
right.
Somebody who's not being tried, investigated, has to be brought under investigation to be part of them and to say, well, we're all into it together. We're all one. How can you be different? It's like black crows having a white crow or a grey crow. Why should a white crow and a grey crow enter when all the crows are black?
All right.
So you please better be black.
All right, Kiran Bedi, thanks very much for sharing your point of view here on CNN IBN.